So you want to launch your own photography studio. Cool. Let me tell you the truth about small business. These are the things I wish I knew before I started to be a small business owner. I'm Pat Miller, founder of the Idea Collective small business community. First, you must embrace the fact that half of small businesses won't make it. The Small Business Administration says 52% of us won't even see year 5. Success is no guarantee, and small business is a bet. It's a risky bet on yourself that you have what it takes to sell a product for more than it costs to create. With the profit you'll generate, you'll support the family. And that profit, that cash flow is so critical. And it will be really tough when you start out. So please, do not start your business if you're drowning in personal debt or you don't have a little cash reserve saved up. Another truth, you're less photographer than salesperson. Every small business owner is a salesperson first, product producer second. If you want to open a studio just to take pretty pictures, you're probably going to struggle. Lastly, the fastest way to success is to focus. Pick a niche and go with it. If you have the courage to get focused on super serving one client base, you'll be able to narrow your marketing and networking efforts, and you'll become known in that style of photography. It'll be easy to be remembered and referred. Being a small business owner is so rewarding, and it's totally worth the risk. But you must know what you're getting into, the stakes of the game, and some of the things that it takes to win. I'll be here cheering you on and reminding you to get clear, work hard, and never quit. Good luck.